Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Travel in Style. I am Ruchi. So today is a very different vlog again. I am going to be reviewing my new phone today and I'm going to also do the unboxing of it here. So before I start the unboxing and everything, I am going to just say that I am not in my own house, in my own workstation. I have hijacked Trotting with AK's workstation because my house is under renovation right now. For now, I have hijacked his workstation. So this is my first ever unboxing and I am reviewing a product for the very first time. So please don't quote me on anything, and I am very sorry if I say something wrong or I miss out on some important point or the pros and cons of this new phone. So before I start unboxing, a little backstory. I have been using the Oppo F9 Pro for over a year now and I have been very happy with it. So I am going to make this my secondary phone. I'm going to start using this new phone and make this my primary phone for all the necessary photos and videos and vlogs and everything, because the camera, battery and everything else is really nice. Let's get on with it and I will tell you how great this phone is along process of unboxing this. So I ordered this from Amazon.in. This is not a paid endorsement on behalf of Amazon or the phone company itself. I am just reviewing this product on my channel because now I will also be sharing reviews about products, sharing a lot of about my life and everything with you guys. Henceforth, any review about a product and everything will also be here. Saw the unboxing. Let's power on the phone now. So these are the basic user setup that will be there now. So let's set up the phone. So because I haven't inserted any SIM card as yet, it reads connect to mobile network. So I'm just going to skip this for now. So this might take some time because it's going to check for things. So now it reads bring your data from a backup from an Android phone or from the cloud or from an iPhone device. Like I said previously, I have the Oppo F9 Pro. This is also an Android phone. I'm only going to have a backup data transfer from here to here. Once that is done, we will get back to the reviewing of the product. So now we are done setting up the phone. For this amazingly fast phone, you definitely need a lot of charge power for this phone. So given with the phone, they have given this amazing looking charging wire with the USB-C port that you can see here. with this wire they have given the signature color of it, the papaya orange. They have also given the papaya orange right here at the bottom of the phone, where you can see it is very classy and very nice. I was expecting it to be a very bright, a very poppy color of the papaya orange, of the signature McLaren color, but they have given it to be a very classy color, and it is just right here at the bottom with a tinge effect, so it looks really nice. As you can see, they have also given the look of the carbon fiber body at the back of the phone. So yes, this phone looks pretty nice at the back. This is how it looks from the front, and I'm very glad that they have given this hard body cover in the box itself. So let's just clip it on, and it looks really nice. Although it did cover up the papaya orange given at the bottom, but my phone is much more precious to me than the papaya orange as of now, so it covers up perfectly at the sides and edges and everything, so there is no chance of the phone breaking. The screen is the Gorilla Glass. This is one con of this phone. It's a fingerprint magnet. If you like to change screen guard that is given from the company itself, you can always go online and buy the desired scratch guard or screen guard of your choice. As of now, I'm okay and happy with this. In case if I feel the need, I will definitely go ahead and change it. There is one more con in this phone. They have given the USB-C port here, and they have given the USB-C adapter to a 3.5 jack, which is a little tricky because if you want to hear music with your headphones on and charge your phone, will be a little tricky because there's only one port. So talking about fast, this phone is the Snapdragon 845, which is the fastest in the market as of now, with a 2.8 GHz octa-core on board. Along with that, they have given, like you saw before the unboxing, they have given a 10 GB RAM on this phone. Let's flip the phone and talk about the cameras that are there, be it the two camera setup that they have given at the back or the single camera setup that they have given here at the top. Talking about the top, first let me just take you to this setup here. They have given the notch drop. That looks pretty cool because then you get the whole phone to view, having a 6.41 inch screen display. So they have given a dual camera setup at the back with a dual flash as well. One is the basic primary camera, which is a 16 megapixel camera. The second camera is another 20 megapixel camera. Along with this, the night mode and the nightscape, where you can also shoot fantastic videos and photos. This also comes with the super slow-mo videos, and they will look excellent and fantastic. The front camera is a 16 megapixel camera. So this phone has the optical image stabilization, the OIS, which will make sure that you don't have any shaky videos. Having this full power-packed phone, be it the camera, the wrap charge, or be it anything, this phone needs to last all day. The main reason why I opted for this phone has a battery of 3700 mAh, which will last me the whole day. This phone is a little heavier than my previous Oppo, 183 grams only. This one has an in-display fingerprint sensor. I haven't set it up as yet because it was taking a long time, and I was really keen on sharing the review about this phone. So that's it for now. I hope मैंने कोई गलती नहीं की है. अगर की है, please don't quote me on it. If you like this video, please give this video a very big thumbs up. Do share your thoughts in the comment section below. Please do share this video with everyone you know. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already. Hit the bell icon so that you know every time I release a new video. Thank you for watching. I will see you in my next vlog. Until then.